On the 15th of March, Thursday, the cool evening at the Baha'i House, Where's the Net campaign was inaugurated in India. Their main idea is to eradicate malaria from the face of this planet by 2015, from more than 750 million deaths per year to none. We embedded our thoughts to the travelling net, which was to travel all over India. I now hand over the mic to Ashmeet, who will be telling us about the proceedings at the Baha'i House.
I want to add on to Jack that the net has travelled around 30 different states all over the country, like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, UP and Delhi, etc. We were received by welcome remarks, and then it was preceded by a special video message by Sir Tony Blair himself. After that, we were introduced to the other schools who were also a part of this campaign. And then they told us about how they are going to create awareness on eradicating malaria.
You can only get malaria if you are bitten by an infected mosquito or if you receive infected blood from someone during a blood transfusion. The mosquito that carries the Plasmodium parasite gets it from biting another person or animal that has already been infected. The parasite then undergoes changes which enable it to infect the next creature the mosquito bites, and once the parasite is in you, it multiplies in the liver and changes again, which enables it to affect the next mosquito that bites you.
I think personally that mosquito nets are much better than mosquito repellents. You know why? Mosquito repellents are polluting factors, especially those which come in the aerosol cans. They contain CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons, which harm the environment greatly. They cause the depletion of the ozone layer. However, a mosquito net has no such polluting factor and it is easy to use. While we have to constantly restock on repellents when they run out, a mosquito net is a one-time cost. We can use it over and over and over again until it tears to bits or has big holes in it.
Hey my human friend, wait, I have some amazing facts for you.
Wow, go ahead.
You know, when you humans use repellents or insecticides against us mosquitoes, some of us may survive and later they become super mosquitoes as their offsprings and they are immune to that repellent.
Super mosquitoes like the Superman?
Kind of.
Do you have any other amazing facts?
Yeah, one more. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on this planet.
Really? Oh, that's really amazing. Okay, so now we at last finally come to the end of our assembly. Thank you. Just understand.
All out can do me no harm. I have a magic charm.
Good night advance is not a match. I belong to the superior batch.
My brothers, you are on a rest. Hey, be positive. Have a very good test.
On this scan, allied mosquito nets.
When you go to bed,
Always use a light mosquito net.
Brothers, this can't stop us. Let's attack them. Brothers, this is a waste. Let's go somewhere else. I am hungry.
futile effort. Always use the light mosquito net. Anytime, anywhere.
Deep in the woods at Riverside, mosquitoes, they are big and white. They buzz around your ears and head. You slap yourself till your face is red. And though you fight like in a war, you will not win and rarely score. You run, you scream, you're really mad. They fly, they buzz, they're really glad. Just as you finally reach the door, they slide right in and bite you more. You search, you try to hunt them down. And what do you know? There's one you found. Yeah, there he is, on that white wall. You smash him dead. Oh, what a sight! I get to scrub the walls tonight. Darn mosquitoes! So, if you feel the same like I do, don't worry anymore. There's no need to. Because I've come the saviors, Elite mosquito nets. Use these and have no regrets. So if while sleeping, you use this mosquito net, they'll not trouble you anymore. And that's a bet. Thank you.
Me and my mosquito friends hope you enjoyed it, and I would like to thank Ma'am Suman for giving us this platform, our esteemed judges and Solutions for his technical support, Ma'am Anindita and Ma'am Pinky Puri for their constant guidance and support, and lastly but not the least, the audience for being patient.
I would request Ma'am Saloni and Ma'am Geetanjali to announce the results.
Don't hide it. The first group, I think in the second group the product was very well displayed and we saw the proper use. Obviously we could hear you better, but there were elements of humor in both groups. I loved the way the second group changed their voices. The mosquitoes were adorable, so very well done overall. The winner today is the second group.